Hello students, welcome back and we are going to continue our revision for Form 3 Science. Okay, so this is a model test paper. Previous video we do until here and now we are going to continue for question B. Underline the correct answer in the statement below. Let's try to do this question. Interaction that benefit one organism without benefiting and harm another organism. Wow, when I read this also feel like angry. Are known as a no. I mean not this one. I thought it's a parasitism. That benefit and without harming another group. So this is called this one easy lah. It's called the communalism. Benefit one and instruction without benefiting or harming. Okay, so you take something, you benefit something but you don't harm other people. So it's called as mutualism. Is it, can I draw a diagram? I don't know how to draw a diagram. They can draw like mutualism, commercialism, and parasitism. Okay, so mutualism both got benefit. Commercialism, one got benefit, one don't have benefit. One is neutral. No loss. I think I put like this better. Neutral, correct and wrong. Okay, no benefit, no harm. For parasitism, one benefit, one harm. Okay, so that is parasitism. Like cacing, cacing Peter, the worm that is in your stomach. It benefit the worm in your stomach, but it don't benefit the body. Virus is considered as parasitism because the virus will get benefit. Like COVID-19 virus is a parasitism because the virus in the body, it will continue to spread. So the virus like got more baby because the virus start to spread so the virus got more benefit, but we are the organism, we got less benefit. So this is called parasitism, where one is benefit, another one does not gain any benefit. Also, like in a group project correct or not, I also got group project and I feel some of my teammates didn't do their work. It's like I want to say they are parasite, correct or not? Because in the team we do together then suddenly in the team 5 people usually, got 5 people, usually this 1 people do only. And then this 5 didn't do. So this one will be like the parasite. This is not good. So the thing is more slow, but eventually they got the equal mark. But never mind it's okay. But this one person will learn more things But maybe they don't know Maybe they're lazy, or maybe they also don't know, or maybe both. Anyway, biological control is a method applied interaction between organisms such as prey, predator, or competition. So biological control means what? If you still remember, biological control is like, for example, you got a rat, and in order to control the rat, you don't buy the poison. Maybe you rear out. So this is a biological control to eat the rat. Or maybe you want to put cat. I think cat also can because you in your house but you don't put the example in the book. This is not in the book, but it makes sense, if you put the cat. But nowadays cat are like no eat rat But if the cat eat rat, it is the biological control. So you don't have that's why maybe in the Malay house they got lesser rat problem. My house got rat because I don't rear cat. But behind my house got cat. Sometimes I feed the cat, but I don't know the cat and the mouse become good friends like Tom and Jerry already. Yeah, so it's rare, but it does happen. This is if you don't want to have problem, you can rear cat. But the cat I rear maybe lesser I didn't feed the rat. The wonder the cat always don't want to do the job. Last time I got feed one. Now I don't feed the cat, so the cat don't want to do work for me already. So this is a biological control, which is more natural And one thing also is my church last Sunday closed because there's a rat died on the ceiling and there's a smell. So they clear the rat. But actually, now I remember why my church got rat. So the whole Sunday we cannot go to church because of the smell. Because last year we got catch a snake. And the snake is very big, you know. It's the snake, really, really big snake beside our church. And we call the bomba catch the snake. And now we have this problem, the rat. Because now I know already why we take away the snake. Now no people want to eat the rat. Then now we got the rat problem. Maybe we need to bring back the snake, put behind the longkang, so that but don't later the snake eat the people. But the snake is a python no poison one. Just he need to turn around you to kill you. Not so easy to turn you faster ask for help usually. I think people can hear you, unless you leave one person Okay. Yeah, so this is called a biological control. It's a method that only apply to prey predator. Prey predator. Prey is the one that let people eat. Predator is the one that eat. So it depends on whether you are the prey or predator. Human also like that I think human is, some people is prey I don't know maybe people that let people bully, or pretty girl that a lot of guys like, then will say it's a prey. Predator is the bad guy. The prey is the innocent people that let people bully or let people harm. Predator will be the bad guy. So you can another word for another word English word is what? Predator something like that if you want to write this in the English essay, it will be the good predator, something like that So you don't need to write in your essay always say bad guy or evil, or the thief, the robber. You can use other words, so it will be better for your essay. Number 4, write true and false for the statement of light year and astronomical unit. Oh my goodness. 1 light year is longer than 1 astronomical unit. True or false? So of course it is true. 1 light year is longer. Yes. Okay. Astronomical unit is the distance from the Earth to the Sun, around 150 kilometers. Will take around how many seconds? 8 seconds, is it? Around 7 seconds. 7 second light from the Sun to the Earth, it take a few seconds. And the whole galaxy itself is how many light years already? The whole galaxy itself. So of course, for the Sun, Earth to the Sun, this is the Sun this is 1 AU, okay? 1 AU, astronomical unit. And the whole galaxy, you know our galaxy our galaxy is, how to draw something like this our galaxy. From here to here, it is around 100,000 light years. Some say 52,000. Why say some say 100,000? Why some say 52,000? Radius. Oh, the radius is 52. The diameter will be 100. So here will be the 100,000 light years. I put ly light years. So when you look at the star, sometimes is the star is 100,000 years ago. Now you look at the star is very slow. You look at the star you are looking now is not the star that is true, because if you are looking the star at here, means that it takes 100,000 years, at least 52 ipan if you at here we are middle here so it's 52. So when you look at the star, you know that that star is actually maybe a few 10 or 20,000 years ago. So it's not 20,000 years ago. Oh yeah, 20,000 years. When you look at the star maybe it's 20-30,000 years ago. It's a very, very long time, and we can see how small we are actually. 1 light year is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. True or false? Okay, so the answer will be 1 light year is the distance traveled by light. Actually, it's correct. 1 light year. Let me make the line first. Can I make the line? Where is it? 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in a year. This two is correct. This one is wrong. I should put back my red pen. No green pen. This one is wrong. 1 light is then traveled by light in 1 year, not in the air, because in the air means there is a particle, so it will slow down the light. So actually you can slow down light, How to slow down light? When it pass through medium, like air, or it pass through glass, pass through water, the speed of the light will be slower. But of course, it's true, 1 light is traveled by 1 year, just like you don't put the air. It's supposed in the vacuum. In 1 year. But even in vacuum, this one you won't learn in book lah. Even vacuum is slightly affected by the gravity. So eventually there is a gravity, the planet gravity. It will slightly lah, not that a lot lah, but it will slightly influence the speed of the light and also the direction of the light. If there is a planet here, the light will slightly go to this side because the gravity of the planet actually pull the light to a certain direction. Very nice if you do. So many things that we still haven't know. Elon Musk say want to go to Mars. Go to Mars, so many things we still don't know yet. 1 astronomical unit is the distance between the Earth and the Moon. True or false? Okay, 1 astronomical unit, this is false. Yeah, this is false. This is false. What astronomical is the distance between the Earth and the Sun, not the Earth and the Moon. The Earth and the Moon is very near. Light year is normally used for measuring distance between stars, but astronomical unit is usually used for measuring distance between planets. True or false? True, very good. So this is true. Correct lah. We want to say to nearer we use AU, longer we use light year. Like 100,000 light. We don't say kilometer, right? If you want to say kilometer, it will be 9 kilometer. Don't know how many light. So we say light years. Okay, it make more sense to say a light year. If not, you need to say many night. Okay, B. Ecological footprint, non-carbon footprint. This one not carbon footprint. Ecological footprint plays an important role in our daily life. Ecological footprint should be maintained to support life. Ecological footprint, where's my maintain, is reduced when the rate of production of natural resource and decomposition of waste material exceed the rate of consumption natural resource and production of waste material. Correct or not? Means that it must is reduced the ecological footprint when natural resource is lesser than the rate of production of natural resource is lesser than the consumption. Means you use faster than you make. For example, like oil. So ecological footprint reduced because you use oil faster than the dinosaur that died. Now also we got make oil. People die also will become oil. People die, cow die, what die, pig die, dog die. Then they go to the ground. Eventually they become oil, but it takes many years and not fast enough. Like we use the petrol so fast. That's why I think Elon Musk is very rich, because Elon Musk make electric car. Because I think a lot of people know, all the wealthy people know that one day no people want to use petrol. I think next 20 years 30 years or 20 years. Now more and more people don't want to use petrol already, because they know petrol is going to finish soon in maybe 20 or 30 years. So you will see all cars start to become electric. So that's why you see now even Malaysia, they are starting to bring in electric car already. and not expensive also leh. I think it's around 230,000 230,000 and it's not expensive because if you buy Mercedes also it's 300,000 and if you buy one Tesla car it's like 200,000 plus then good lah electric. Some more you can put at your home no need to go to petrol station one, just put in your house and charge at your house lah, and it can go, if I'm not mistaken can go up to 400 or 700 kilometer, means full charge you can bring the car from KL to Penang, enough lah from KL to Penang. You want to bring the car go to where you want to bring so far also you become tired already so that is one of the, so maybe you want to invest in a new business or it's going to finish soon. Diagram 5 show the structure of human respiratory system. P and Q. What is P and what is Q? Yes, very good to those that get the answer. So P will be the intercostal muscle, separate into outer intercostal muscle and inner muscle. So when the outer contract, your chest become big. So you breathe in, then the muscle relax, pull in, pull in. So you can breathe because of the muscle. If not, how you want to make the chest big and small? And also Q will be the diaphragm. Your muscle go up and down to bring the oxygen, correct or not? Because your lung is not muscle. Your lung is just alveolar is just like that Your lung cannot become big. Your lung cannot become small. Your lung is just like that. But your lung become big because there is a muscle in your rib. It will pull the lung and your diaphragm will push up. Then it will pull down, go up, and then your bone will be acting as a spring. So your bone is your spring so it will bring. So if your rib break 你的这边骨头断了you also cannot breathe because your spring spoil already, and eventually it's very difficult to breathe and the person can die. Even there is no bleeding, but if the 骨头断了 you lost the spring actually, and you will have difficulty in breathing. Maybe you go to hospital, people faster put pipe into your mouth sometimes accident and you already broken your ribs and you cannot breathe properly. We call it the lung collapsing, means the bone is 断了嘛 so 它就你的骨头断了就 tap 下去collapsing, so the lung collapse inside, means there's no volume of gas and you will feel very very difficult to breathe. Okay, thoracic cavity become bigger when the diaphragm move and the rib cage move upward. So the rib cage move upward, probably this will mean that it is the move upward means is inhalation inhalation. So the diaphragm move up or down. Okay, it's correct because rib cage move up up means it's a diaphragm. Of course this is the body. The rib cage move up, this one become big and this one become small because this one go down. The diaphragm go down, this thing go up, this go down, this is your body, this is the mouth. Okay, yeah, hopefully you understand my picture. Okay, movement and exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the human body is through the process of, very good, diffusion. Diffusion is from high concentration to low concentration. So yep, very good to those that got the answer. So this, for example, this is the water, there is a fish. Again, I use many examples. Oxygen go into the aquarium because the concentration of oxygen is higher, and then the concentration of oxygen in the aquarium. The carbon dioxide go out because the concentration of the carbon dioxide in the aquarium is higher and then the lower than the air. Okay, how about osmosis? Can anyone explain to me, maybe by example, when osmosis will happen? Okay, so what is osmosis? Osmosis is the transferring of liquid from a higher water potential to a lower water potential through a semi-permeable. But what is it actually? Let's that's why I say example, because as I give example, maybe let's say this is a tree and there is a root. So how the water go in? The water go into here and it go up. Okay, the water will go up. So this is due to osmosis. This is not diffusion. The reason not diffusion because if you say that from higher concentration to lower concentration, the water outside is high, here is low. So we cannot say that from or here also got high concentration. The reason here is high because here got something, you know. 我不懂怎样讲嘞 got a lot of thing 那个木the wood will actually means also a constant something like concentration. It will block the water from going in. But the water can go in through osmosis. Means this is the wood. And then this is the membrane. This is the water. So maybe I just use different color of water. Here also got water, but the water is lesser here. The water here is more. Okay. So the water will go in from here to here. Okay. And this one also it will create then the tree will absorb the water, even not through diffusion but through osmosis. Another example of osmosis, maybe I can draw like something like this. Let's say this is a beaker. If I want to draw osmosis, I put like this, something block them. Then here I got put a lot of the particle. Here I put lesser particle. This is the liquid. If this is this liquid is the same. But after a while, what we can see is this thing will why I cannot use my black color? This thing will become like this. Here is more, here is less, and they got the same number of particle. Okay. Anyway, if you don't understand also never mind, because it's a whole new chapter for Form 4, Form 5, but it's good you understand a little bit. Usually we use example and reference for plant, because plant is not using diffusion, plant is using osmosis, and we are going to learn this more in the Form 4 and Form 5. Okay, any question? Okay, so if no question, I will teach until here. You can always do your revision. If you got anything, you can put in the comment, or you can let me know, so that WhatsApp me, for my tuition student, and I will reply as when I see your message. So I see you again next time. Thank you and bye bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.